Hello all YouTubers, I am the Weather Dude. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for tuning back into this presentation for May 24th, 2019. You know what helps keep my channel going? When you guys subscribe, so please don't forget to do that before you exit out this video. And also, ring the bell notifications, never miss one of my videos again. As always, please consider looking in the description for other videos with superior weather content that you won't find anywhere else. And please consider watching the whole video, because today's video will be very important. It's going to be about extreme heat in the southeastern United States. Okay, it will sneak up into the mid-Atlantic and Midwest, but the southeast is going to be the main target by this heat. So stay tuned. So these are the 2-meter temperatures according to the GFS model. And this was taken at 8 o'clock. And you can see some areas across Georgia and South Carolina in the mid-80s. Some areas getting close to 90. Okay, but we're starting to cool off at this point. Now by 18Z, by Savannah, we were definitely in the hundreds, nearing in on the hundreds on the Florida Panhandle, and we just had some excessive heat to deal with. Okay, and look at this, we can get to low to mid 100s, southeastern Georgia by tomorrow. That's the high for there, and then look at this, 107 in southeastern Georgia, 108, and even some areas could close in on 110 for the actual temperature. Okay. As we move on in time, this is now Tuesday. He's starting to move toward Florida now. 105, 106 in northeastern Florida. Orlando's going to be pretty hot there as well. Look at this. 103, 100, even 101 is starting to make its way up into North Carolina. Okay, even the mid-Atlantic. Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey even getting it well into the 90s on Wednesday. And by Thursday, again, look at this. DC is actually going to be 97 on Thursday. Okay, mid-Atlantic, again, Delaware, Jersey, Pennsylvania. Starting to see those low to mid-90s. But look at this little cool spot there in eastern Georgia. If you live there, you're lucky. Okay, but well into the 100s across the south. On Friday, the heat starts to ease off a little bit, but it's suppressed into the south. So the heat's going to build there while it starts to make its way out of the mid-Atlantic. But the Smoky Mountains, man, you're living it up there. You're in the 70s. That's nice stuff up there. Nice and cool and brisk. So that's for the next week, what your temperatures can look like at least through the rest of May. Let me actually go to the dew points, because those are going to be pretty decently high. It's not going to be widespread mugginess, but we're definitely going to have some high dew points. So look at this, dew points in the 60s on Saturday. Okay, and on Sunday, Carolinas will see some dew points in the 70s according to the GFS model. And if you look on Monday, again, 60s seems to be the main pattern. And then you look into Tuesday. Northern Georgia's in the 50s at 50. But you look off to the west, and we start to see those low to mid 70s. And that's what's going to be coming our way in the southeast. So the mugginess is still yet to come on top of the heat. Here it is on Thursday. Look at this. Starting to see dew points approach 70 in eastern Georgia. It's coming. Okay, here we go. Boom. Friday, May 31st, we have this string of 70+ dew points. And we can even get into the upper 70s at times. So very, very muggy, very, very warm. That looks like it's going to be the pattern here. 2-meter temperature anomalies. Okay, temperatures are going to be running like 12 to 20 degrees above average. Very, very hot. I could even say pushing 28 degrees above average, especially at the coastline. Okay, very hot. Okay. If you're gonna go outside, especially because it's gonna be sunny, please don't even forget 30. Put SPF 50, 70 sunscreen on. This heat is gonna be very, very dangerous. Okay, and don't just put I'm gonna have SPF like 100 sunscreen. I don't even know if that even exists. But SPF 100 sunscreen, I'm just gonna stay out there. Now, you still need to limit your time outside, even if your SPF or your sun protection factor is high. Taking health class now. Not that I didn't know that before, but we're learning a lot about sun protection. So here is the gem model. Okay, some of the temperatures here. Okay, let's go to them tomorrow on Saturday. Not as a high resolution of a model as a GFS, and that's really sad because GFS is very low resolutionized. So in the upper 90s according to them tomorrow. Sunday maybe getting to 100. Monday 101 in southeastern Georgia. 102 maybe on Tuesday. So the heat's gonna be there. Even eastern North Carolina might hit 100 on Wednesday. But either way, put tons of sunscreen on. Wear sun protective clothing. Forgot to mention that one. and just try to stay indoors if you can. I'm sorry, these temperatures were just a little bit cooler into the upper 80s. Things would have been so much nicer right now. Temperature not only, just look at this. Even past May, going into June, starting to see some hints of cooling down Friday on the 31st of May across the southeast, but still confined to the coastline, more heat all the way through June, at least through the next 10 days, according to the GEM model. Okay, and the NAM 3KM model, kind of showing the same thing here. Okay, look at this. Just upper 90s, low 100s, that is going to be the main pattern here. So, let me just show you this map that I made before you guys leave. Okay, and this is basically showing you the heat, like the risk and what it can do. So, the southeast, North Carolina, eastern Tennessee, northern Alabama, central Mississippi, and eastern Louisiana points to the east towards the southeastern coast. Okay, including South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, pretty much all of Alabama. You're in this red area. Extreme heat and humidity. Temperatures will feel like 110. I wouldn't even say that. Temperatures will be 110. But temperatures will definitely feel like 120 degrees Fahrenheit for long periods of time. Okay, and the warmth by the ocean could certainly heat those sea surface temperatures up. That sun's going to be very powerful. In that orange area, this is like New York City, Philadelphia, central Pennsylvania, Delaware, New Jersey, Maryland, Virginia, West Virginia, the Midwest, down to Arkansas, pretty much like central and eastern Texas, western Louisiana, northwestern Mississippi, and also the mid-Atlantic coast if I haven't mentioned that yet. Okay, moderate to high heat and humidity, and then temperatures will feel like they are 95. I think a lot of areas in this orange area will be at 95, but they will definitely feel like 100 or even a little bit past 100 at times. Not necessarily for long periods of time, but at times. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell notifications. Thank you all for watching. Have a blessed night. I am DeWeatherDude, signing off. Till next time.